Hello, good day. Magandang araw. Kumusta na mo diha? This is what we call sampalok or in English, tamarind. So, kani siya is ripe na ni. Thank you so much na naghatag sa mua. Amua ni siyang tanggalon ang unod. I-separate na mo siya from the peeling. But nga na mo water and then we drain it because we're gonna make tamarind juice. This is the first time that I tried this one. Kaya ang akong na-try ra gyud no, ang sinigang na naay sampalok at the same time ang sampalok nga gihimong candy. Sarap. Regine, your turn.
I like it.
You like it, Zo? Sarap.
My
juice
niece
lang gid siya
likes
eh.
the tamarind juice. Naman guna siya sugar.
So anyway, naka-second glass siya. At least I learned today that dili lang diay siya sa sinigang o candy, pwede siya juice. That's it and goodbye everyone!